How to check and unblock blocked numbers on WhatsApp for Android. To do this on an Android system, open your WhatsApp and then click on the three dots icon on the top right corner. Then click on Settings. After, choose Privacy. Scroll down a little bit and tap on Blocked. Now you can see the contacts that you blocked. If you would like to unblock one of them, tap on and hold on the contact you want to unblock. Then tap on Unblock. Now touch the subscribe button for more WhatsApp tutorials. Thanks.